The properties of the Holy See are regulated by the 1929 Lateran Treaty signed with the Kingdom of Italy. Although part of Italian territory, some of them enjoy immunities, similar to those of foreign embassies, outside Vatican City, but inside Rome. Extraterritorial property: Archbasilica of St. John Lateran, Basilica of St. Mary Major, Basilica of St. Paul outside the walls, Lateran Palace, Lateran University, the Scala Santa and adjoining buildings, Palace of St. Calixtus, home of the Pontifical Council Cor Unum, certain buildings on the Gianicolo Hill, namely the Pontifical Urbaniana University, the Pontifical North American College, and the Bambino Gesù Hospital. Palazzo della Cancelleria between the Corso Vittorio Emanuele II and Campo de' Fiori. Palazzo di Propaganda Fide in the Piazza di Spagna. Peter. Palace of the Congregation for the Oriental Churches, in Via della Conciliazione. Palazzo Pio in Via della Conciliazione. Palace of the Vicariato in Via della Pigna off the Corso Vittorio Emanuele II near the Piazza del Gesù. Pontifical Minor Roman Seminary. Campo Santo Teutonico, the larger part of Paul VI Audience Hall. Non-extraterritorial property: Palace of the Holy Apostles attached to the Basilica dei Santi Apostoli. Palace attached to the Church of San Carlo I Catanari. Collegio Bellarmino in Via del Seminario near the Church of Sant'Ignazio. Archaeological Institute, Pontifical Oriental Institute, Lombard College and the Russian College on Piazza Santa Maria Maggiore. The two palaces of Sant'Apollinare between the Piazza Sant'Apollinare and Via della Cirola. The house of retreat for the clergy of Saints John and Paul, including the Nymphaeum of Nero, on the Callian Hill. Former extraterritorial property: Palazzo della Datteria near the Quirinal Palace, outside Rome. Extraterritorial property: Papal Palace of Castel Gandolfo, the gardens of the Villa Cibor, Villa Barberini plus adjacent gardens, the summer estate of the Pontificio Collegio Urbano di Propaganda Fide and the papal farm between the towns of Castel Gandolfo and Albano Lazio. Area of Santa Maria di Galleria, where the antennae of Vatican Radio are located. The area was ceded by Italy to the Holy See in an agreement in 1951. Non-extraterritorial property: the Basilica of the Holy House at Loreto, province of Ancona. The Basilica of St. Francis at Assisi, province of Perugia. The Basilica of St. Anthony at Padua, province of Padua. The Fundamental Accord, signed in 1993, grants property rights and tax exemptions to the Holy See over various Christian holy sites in Israel, but the agreement was never finalized because of diplomatic problems between the Vatican and Israeli governments.